The key success factor at our project is to create an agile project management framework. When we're talking about agile project management framework, we believe that we would need to provide our users the first result within a very short time of period. In some cases, we can have the first stage of a project up and running within 4 to 8 weeks. We believe that if we go into a traditional project management solution, process, as an example, create scoping for several of months, and then creating the development phase and the testing phase for the full project, it will usually take us to bring a project up live and running about 1, maybe 2 years sometimes. Having that time frame is definitely not a key success factor, because whenever we'll be up and running, then the system will be irrelevant. All the problem will either be resolved during that time or become greater, and then the customer will not have enough money to pay for the project. So getting back to the concept of agile project management, what we would like to do what we are doing in those type of projects is we're basically getting back to agile project management solution. Our agile project management methodology consists on a very basic stages and very simple ones, because again, we always want to simplify the situation. The first stage would be to define what is our scope of work. What are we going to achieve within a period of, let's say, between 6 to 12 months. We would usually not discuss too much about longer period terms, because at our way of living, it's irrelevant. Scoping those will get us into the definition of the project. And then the second stage would be how we can take that project and divide it into specific packages. When we talk about project at the office of the CFO, the first package will usually get the actual data inside. We had few companies that were able to get the actual data information within less than 2 months and to make the reporting processes shorter, like with 50 or 60%. One of the main advantages of the agile project management solution would be the engagement of the users with the system. Having that engagement within the first few steps of a project will enable the user, will provide us that enablement environment that we were talking about. Any user that will not see the added value from the project will not engage into it. So if we would like the user to be engaged with the project and to get that enablement environment that we are creating for them, we basically need to understand what are the pains of that specific user, how are we solving them, and we are communicating that to the user. So basically, our approach to the user is that we want to help them and we want to fit our solution within the best way that we can